Choosin Texas, I can tell. Well, I guess he forgot about the Smoky Mountain rain, the Moldhang tunes, the Memphis blues we used to sing. He always loved Amarillo by morning. I should have taken that as a warning. She's from Texas, I can tell by the way he's two-stepping round the room. And judging by the smile that's written on his face, there's nothing I can do. It doesn't take a crystal ball to see. A cowboy always finds a way to leave. Drinking Jack all by myself. He's choosing Texas, I can tell. When I'm eastbound and down, and I can't help but cry, 'cause I-40 gets lonelier with every mile. I know that his mind wasn't never gonna change, 'cause his heart still belongs to the Lone Star State. She's from Texas, I can tell by the way he's two-stepping round the room. And judging by the smile that's written on his face, there's nothing I can do. No, yeah, it doesn't take a crystal ball to see. A cowboy always finds a way to leave. Drinking Jack all by myself. He's choosing Texas, I can tell. No, drinking Jack all by myself. He's choosing Texas, I can tell. Come on, baby. Oh, just when I thought I got him to fall in love with Tennessee.
Let's learn Choosin Texas. It's choreographed by Nidhi Risi. It is a 24 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the ending, and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Choosin Texas. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a modified rumba box. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side, step together with your left, taking weight onto your left foot, and then shuffle forward with your right, stepping right, forward, left, together, right, forward. You're now going to step your left foot to the left side, step together with your right, taking weight onto your right foot, and you're going to shuffle back with your left, stepping left, back, right, together, left, back. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to rock back with our right foot, recover do a half shuffle, turning over your left shoulder. Make a quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the right side. Step your left next to your right, and then make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to rock back with our left foot, recover onto your right. We're going to do a half shuffle, turning over our right shoulder. Make a quarter turn, stepping your left foot to the left side. Step together with your right, and then make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to return to 12 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're rocking back with your right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. If you would like to leave out the turning shuffles, you can replace it with just regular shuffles, forward and back. So if you would like to leave them out, you would rock back. 1, 2, shuffle forward, 3 and 4, rock forward, 5, 6, shuffle 7 and 8. And that is how you can leave out the turns if you would like. Section 3, in our final section of the dance, we're going to step back with our right foot. You're going to hook your left foot over your right shin, making a figure 4 with your left knee. We're now going to shuffle forward with our left foot, stepping left forward, right together, left forward. We're going to do 2 skates, bringing that right foot in and pushing it out. Bring your left foot in and push it out. We're now going to rock forward with our right foot and recover onto your left. When we start the next wall, you will make a quarter turn as you start your rumba box so that you will face 3 o'clock to start wall 2. Every time we do this rock, your rumba is going to go quarter together, shuffle forward. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping back with your right and hooking. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now what that hook looks like, if you don't know what it is, you're going to take your left heel and bring it up to your right shin. It's just a little hooking it up so that your toe is still pointed down towards the ground, and you're just kind of bringing that heel to meet the middle of your shin. It doesn't have to go up very high or across your body. You want to kind of have that heel hit the middle of your shin. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our modified rumba box. So it's side together, shuffle forward, side together, shuffle back, rock back, recover, half shuffle, rock back, recover, half shuffle, back, hook, shuffle forward, skate, skate, rock, recover, and then you'll make that quarter turn to go into the next wall. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. And you make that quarter turn. Now let's talk about the ending. Your final wall will be facing 9 o'clock, and you are going to dance up until your shuffle forward in section 3. So you'll dance up to count 4 of section 3. So let's dance up to that part so that you know where it happens. Weight is on your left. We're going to step to the right. So it's side, together, shuffle forward. Side, together, shuffle back. Rock back, recover, half shuffle. Rock back, recover, half shuffle. Back, hook, shuffle forward. Right here, all we're going to do is make a quarter turn, stepping towards 12 o'clock, and then you can end in a pose or wherever you would like. But as long as you're ending stepping forward towards 12 o'clock, that is where you will end the dance. So now let's go around. On the front back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance, starting with your rumba box. So it's side, together, shuffle forward. Side, together, shuffle back. Rock back, recover, half shuffle. Rock back, recover, half shuffle. Back, hook, shuffle forward. Skate, skate, rock, recover, quarter. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Quarter side, together, shuffle forward. Side, together, shuffle back. Rock back, recover, half shuffle. rock back, recover, half shuffle. Back, hook, shuffle forward, skate, skate, rock, recover, quarter. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and then you would keep going until the end of the song. When it starts talking about Choosin Texas, it will have a few counts before the music completely ends, and you'll make that quarter turn to 12 o'clock. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Choosin Texas. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Choosin Texas, I can tell. Well, I guess he forgot about the Smoky Mountain rain, the Moldhang tunes, the Memphis blues we used to sing. He always loved Amarillo by morning. I should have taken that as a warning. She's from Texas, I can tell by the way he's two-stepping round the room. And judging by the smile that's written on his face, there's nothing I can do. It doesn't take a crystal ball to see. A cowboy always finds a way to leave. Drinking Jack all by myself. He's choosing Texas, I can tell. When I'm eastbound down and I can't help but cry, 'cause I-40 gets lonelier with every mile. I know that his mind wasn't never gonna change, 'cause his heart still belongs to the Lone Star State. She's from Texas, I can tell by the way he's two-stepping round the room. And judging